Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher. I would like to welcome you in this class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to start lesson number 1. Let's meet Mushonda. So, let's start today's class. So, here a small part of a story it is given. So first I am going to read this story, this chapter, and then I will explain you. Here it is given, Musonda just turned 13. Her heart is full of joy. Musonda has 2 brothers and 2 little sisters. She loves to take care of her sisters, play with them and make them laugh. She lives with her family in a small village called Bhumi. Her parents are Mr. and Mrs. Mulenga. So in this paragraph what it is explained? It is explained about a girl whose name is Musonda and she has just turned 13. It means she is 13 years old. Recently she became 13 years old and her heart is full of joy. It means she always remains happy. She always try to engage with everyone. She always try to help everyone and she always remains the happy. It means her heart is full of joy. Musonda has 2 brothers and 2 little sisters. Here it is explained Musonda is having 2 brothers and 2 little sisters. It is not explained that brothers are younger or elder, but it is explained that 2 little sisters. It means sisters are younger than Musonda. Okay, and she loves to take care of her sisters. It is explained that she loves to take care of sisters, her sister, and she likes to play with them and make them laugh. What she is doing, Musonda enjoys while playing with her sisters and she takes care of her sister and play with them and make them laugh. She lives with her family in a small village. Musonda, she is living in a small family and in a small village. And what is the name of her village? It is the Bhumi. Okay, Bhumi is the small village where Musonda and her family is living. Her parents are Mr. and Mrs. Mulenga. Mr. and Mrs. Mulenga are parents of Mulenga. It means Mr. Mulenga is the father of Musonda and Mrs. Mulenga is mother of Musonda. So this is explained in first paragraph about the introduction of a girl whose name is Musonda. It is explained about her. Okay. Now in second paragraph I am going to read. Today Musonda is excited because her cousin Rose is coming to stay with the Mulengas for a few weeks. Musonda and Rose are good friends. They like to tell each other their thoughts. In second paragraph it is explained that today Musonda is excited. Why Musonda is excited? It is explained because her cousin Rose is coming to stay with Mulengas for a few weeks. For few weeks Musonda's cousin Rose is going to come to live with her family. Okay, and she will live how long? She will live for few weeks there. Okay, Musonda and Rose are good friends. It is explained that Musonda and Rose, they are good friends and they like to tell each other their thoughts. What they like to do? They like to share their thoughts with each other. So this is explained here, a part of a story. Now let's go to the question and answer of this chapter. Okay. So here the first question it is given that how old is Musonda? It's very easy answer, that in the book you have studied that Musonda is 13 years old. Okay. Second question it is explained here, whom does she love to take care of? So answer is she loves to take care of her sisters. Okay, it is given in the book, she loves to take care of her sisters. Question number 3, what does she do with her sisters? Means she loves to take care of her sisters, so what does she do with her sisters? So answer will be that she plays with her sisters and make them laugh. Okay, she plays with her sisters and make them laugh. Question number 4, Where does she live? Where does she live means who? Musonda. Where Musonda? Where does Musonda live? The answer is that she lives in a small village called Bhumi. Okay. Question number 5. Who are Mr. and Mrs. Mulenga? The answer is Mr. and Mrs. Mulenga are the parents of Musonda. Okay. Question number 6. Why is Musonda excited today? The answer is Musonda is excited today because her cousin Rose is coming to stay with her. Okay. Question number 7. How long will Rose stay with the Mulengas? The answer is that how long will Rose stay with the Mulengas? The answer is Rose will stay with Mulengas for a few weeks. Okay, Rose will stay with Mulengas for a few weeks. It means Rose is going to stay for a few weeks with Mulenga family. Question number 8. What do Musonda and Rose like to do? The answer is Musonda and Rose like to tell each other their thoughts. So in this manner we have completed all the question answer. Now you all are requested to complete this question answer in your book because space is already provided. So you will write with your pencil, okay, all the answers which we have discussed just now, and try to learn, not try to learn, you learn all the answers of these all questions. Okay, now we are going to the other activities, the remaining activities of the lesson number 1. So here activity number 3 it is given. In activity number 3 it is asking your tutor will ask the class to make sentences for each of the words below. Here some words are given, around 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 words are here. So all 10 words you have to make sentences. From each word one sentence you have to make, and these sentences where will you write? Now this work you have to do in your moral science copy. In your copy you have to write all these 10 words and you will make sentence. So like first word, what is given? Family. Everyone is knowing the family. So you will make the sentence of family like that, I live in a small family, or you can say that my family is small, or you can write some many sentence can be made that my family is very happy. So different sentence can be made. So everyone will make one sentence from family. Now next word it is village. Okay, so you will make sentence of village, that my village name is Rampur, or my village is very big village, or my village is very small village. So like that only you can make one sentence from village. Next one is laughs. You don't have to change any word, in which manner it is given the word, in the same manner you have to make sentence. So here it is given laughs. So where laughs is used? With third person singular number. Okay, with third person singular you have to use the s or es. So here laughs it is given, so you may make sentence of laughs, that when my mother laughs I feel happy. Or you may make sentence that when she laughs I feel happy. Okay, like that only you have to make sentence from the laughs, one sentence. Next one is joy. Everyone is knowing the joy. Joy means happiness. Okay, that you may make sentence of joy, that my friend's heart is full of joy. Okay, next one is that cousins. Everyone is knowing what is cousins. Okay, so you may write that my cousins are going to visit my family next week, or I am going to go to picnic with my cousins. Like that only you have to make with that one sentence from cousins. Next one is that play, that I would like to play chess with you, or Ram plays cricket. Ram play, not Ram. You don't have to change word. So play is there. So you will make sentence from play only. Okay. I'm going to play cricket. A small sentence. A small. You can make sentence of a small. That ant is a small animal. Okay. Or any other word. You can make sentence. Heart. Okay. You will make one sentence from heart, that my mother's heart is so kind. Okay, like that only you will make one sentence from heart. Thoughts, you will make sentence that when our thoughts are good, then we can do the good things. Or you make sentence that we must develop good thoughts in our mind. Excited, Ram is excited because he is going to visit the zoo. Okay, so like that only one sentence from each word you will make and write in your copy. Okay, so this is activity number 3. Now activity number 5, this is the last activity, and activity number 4 is also there in your book. So it's very easy. Activity number 4. In activity number 4, what you need to do? In activity number 4, some fill in the blanks are there, and the words already given, the words which we have used to make the sentences, from those words only we are going to fill in the blanks of activity number 4. So you will complete in the book only. Now activity number 5, this also you are going to complete in book only. So what it is given, write a sentence or two here about Musonda. About Musonda you have to write 1 or 2 sentences here. So already you have completed the story. Okay, and there it is explained about Musonda only. So you have to write here 1 or 2 sentences about Musonda. You will write like Musonda is 13 years old. Her heart is full of joy. She likes to play with her sisters. Okay, like that only. She lives in a small village called Bhumi. Her parents' name is Mr. and Mrs. Mulenga. Like that only few sentences you will write here. So this work you will complete in book only. Okay, so this is all I think for today's. Now lesson is over. Now the home assignment. Home assignment is there. Complete the question and answer of lesson 1 in your book and learn nicely. Okay, so you will complete the question and answer of lesson number 1 which just we have discussed in your book, and you will learn them nicely. Next one is that complete activity 4 and 5 of lesson 1 in your book. Activity number 4 and 5 you will complete in book nicely. And the next homework it is that complete activity 3 of lesson 1 in your copy. Okay, so this is all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Okay, thank you student. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Bye.